ki khubor ka batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, now. See you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that. Oh.
Kumshi bentaban ya rap ya Ïakhun samla wat kam wat jam. Haga khat artarik unai wing arajar arpusau. La Plie pajba ya kaslem ai jing hikai has ngap CM College balatip kum ka coaching class for competitive examination naga bentagi Ïakhun samla jongga dongga thain Southwest Khasi Hills District haga jingye trelang jongga ngap CM College bat ka rilang Education Society. Yagane ka coaching class competitive examination la lam khmat dau MLA jongga mau kerwat constituency kum u president. Kajing Plie yaga coaching class kalong kum shibentaban plelat plelenti yagi Ïakhun samla ban thep kam thep jam kum haga DSC, MPSC, UPSC bat QA. Ki subject bakin shim hagane ka coaching class competitive examination ki long ka general English, general science, basic math, but general knowledge. Kajingbu yakani ka coaching class kalong ru shibentaban pen shlur yaki samla kumno ban Ïakhun yaki exam baper. Kumbalatip ba arpo percent ki baju pass haki exam baper haga jing wat kam wat jam ki daybet ki bayo ka jing hikai na ki coaching class but khat pra percent ki day ki ba treshitam daladi. Kumta u MLA ka mau kurwat constituency ulakan tujur yaki Ïakhun samla jongga dongga thain. Bakin wan shakhmat ban register hagani ka coaching class competitive examination khanang baka jing persyang ban wat kam wat jam jonggi Ïakhun samla kan nom le no ai. Ka jing penlong ya ka coaching class kan long bet has ngaps AM College mau kurwat.
You all aware that in Meghalaya we have more than 80 colleges. And among these colleges, only around 20 colleges who got all the affiliation, including the National Accreditation and Assessment Council. And we are proud to tell you that we are one among such colleges. So in India, all over the country, it is just only 30 to 35% of the colleges who got all this recognition. And we are one among them. So it's my pleasure to welcome you all, the youth of the district, to be a part of this coaching. There are many activities that we are going to, we as the college, we used to organize both academic and non-academic activities. And to get the recognition, to get the assessment, a good grade from the NAC, we will have to give also the service to the community. Service to the community, there are many. We adopt villages, we organize programs in different locality. We organize a skill and entrepreneurship program for the students. And this coaching for competitive exam, it is one of the area that every NAC accredited college should have within the campus, so that we can help our own students. After graduate from the college, they should know where to go. So we have more than 30 committees in the college to look after the different activities that we have assigned to them. And for this competitive exam, we have entrusted to one committee, we call it Career Guidance and Counseling Cell Committee. So my colleague who look after this committee, they are with us today. So I have invited them to be with us. And I should congratulate the Rilang Education Society for taking this initiative to organize this coaching for competitive exam, because this is the area that we are lacking behind, especially in the entire Southwest Khasi Hills. So I should appreciate the initiative taken by Rinek. He always think for the betterment of the youth. And I appreciate him for taking this initiative to conduct this coaching for competitive exam. When we talk about competitive exam, it does not end up with the upcoming competitive exam in the DSC level. But we would like to see that the youth of this area should also compete themselves at the state level, MPSC, and at the national level. There are various opportunities open for the youth of this area, especially those who have graduated and postgraduate. So there will be exam in the SSC, there will be exam in the bank sector, various companies, including the government department. So without guidance, it will be a problem for many of our youth, especially in rural areas. Forwarding, yes, just now he has mentioned that 80% it depends on our hard work. Yes, I agree with that. But 20% we need proper guidance from someone who have experience. So I do believe that this kind of coaching, it will really motivate the youth, the aspirant. It will also really help them to go in the right direction. How to prepare yourself for the exam. So as I said, we should not focus only with the SC level. We should focus with the MPSC and UPSC exam. So I expect that through this coaching for competitive exam, many of you will come up with flying colors.
Aku akan orang pisai ke macam sengira yang kubur bersama. Until and unless you put an effort by yourself, nobody can help you. Ladang tim bersang hidalade, banle suat dalajong, anum don manu balak benera plan dolan dulu. Tinggal ai kijing ai kulai kisahlah, hak pada lede hilas ngokia, hilas serius, kum kinong watkam, banwat kijing start, na kijing hikai. Kila mana bakaron kena coaching, bat play enroll lede. But let's say the penang kita enroll rusibon kita pakai hang ni, let's say the pakai kampun hang ni adalah istom hingga space. Tendai kumbai ibu kentiu ialah patai bagian sa don biang, let's say ngilak badon sa kubik section, nak kamnyam syu, ngilak badon sa kubik section, bagi orang ayah kejikai. Ngindang yai penting bat ke enrollment kandang yai penting kanum khan kanum kut ke enrollment kanang don, hak ban sampai ke kapor balak biang ke enrollment ban yok ban sedang biang sa kubik section, insiap ban sedang biang kata. Henry lada Islam yok kalap syua kan dekat DSC exam tentang kata kan dekat jingdu no. Aku apa lagi pi bahkan dekat beli kesim ke mana kon ngela persang banle dekat coaching akan dekat snem ke baladep haswa bandol itu ke DSC ke baladep ni lale coaching ke ba la organize dekat mau keruat youth association mau keruat youth development association hakaba kijong boarding room kila involve lang banera ya kini association but kapasku tenar kalau ba na plan kini ki ba pas ya kini kadi asi kepala dep ibun ngut kidon ki ba la lete deh kini coaching but kila pas kini kesa ten marta kalau kedor ke bakra ban let kini coaching la kalau ke masisya ba kalau tang 20% ke bang boarding tenrei ke shop kidon bade ki bakal jat shop 80% nak coaching na marka ke makiyo ki by heart ya kato but ki bahano se ki one look ki ki by heart pero ta 100% nak coaching ki la pas ki eksa ti ka shop haki brio tendri ka mud ban ong ta ka mud ba kadon kam by heart ke ko pilayo tendri ban jai wat ya ka jing start na we ka kam ban ngitip ki question bakin ban te nak ta jo fi saya persang ban ya penep jabing